Wednesday we moved and we're boondocking. It's free dispersed camping. Oh, it looks like there's a sign up here. Organ Mountains Desert Peaks National Monument. And I see there's camping down below, but it looked so steep from up here. I didn't want us to go down there. But there's our view. I think, not sure if that's the freeway we see over there. Huh. Good. We could have gone where that little bend right there in the road is. We could have set up there, but it seemed kind of narrow for our rig. We talked to the people right across from us, and they said there were something like 9 people camping in here last night. And he should have put 4 or 5 of those blocks because we're tilted. Somebody had a campfire right here, but somebody cleaned it up and kicked the rocks out of the way, I think. Somebody's up there. But we're by Las Cruces, New Mexico. Really not that far, a few miles. It's to the west of us. We should get a fairly...
Las Cruces over there.
Yeah. We should get a fairly good sunset, I would think. Although there aren't any clouds in the sky, that usually kind of spoils it. Clouds really enhance. Oh, there's some clouds over that way. Well, maybe it will turn out good.
LTE here.
Oh. Huh? Did our little girl... Oh no, she's right here. There she is. Hi, sweetie pie. Meow. Did you want to play with this? Not really? Yeah. Is this all right? Is this all right? We didn't have to drive terribly far today, did we? No. After being in one place for a whole week, anything would be too long, right? Yeah, it seems like the middle of nowhere, but obviously people know about this place.
Yeah, it's on Campandia.
I like this view. So, just one night here, and we could have stayed 2 if we... What's she doing? Oh. I'd say she's pretty comfortable. Yeah, we won't be able to use the electric blanket tonight. So maybe it will probably get chilly because that's how it is around here. Warm days, cold nights. Because it is desert. But we have plenty of propane. We can run our furnace. So that's it for today. We'll talk again.